Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 3.3 question number 5. The measures of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio of 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Here it is a parallelogram ABCD. Here you see that angle A and angle D are adjacent of this parallelogram, adjacent angles of this parallelogram. Here, the measures of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio of 3:2. Suppose angle A is 3x and angle D is 2x because they are in the ratio of 3:2. Right? Therefore, you can write, you can solve this way. Let angle A is equal to 3x and angle D and angle D is equal to 2x. Now, angle A plus angle D, angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? That the adjacent angles, the sum of 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 adjacent angles is supplementary. That is 180 degree. Now if you take angle A as 3x and angle D as 2x, therefore we are getting angle A is 3x, angle D is 2x, 3x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 5x is equal to 180 degree. Or you can say x is equal to 180 degree divided by 5. That is equal to x is equal to 5 3 is 15, 5 6 is 30, 36 degree. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 36 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to 3x that is equal to 3 into x that is equal to 36 degree. And if we multiply, we are getting multiply 36 with 3. 3 is 18, carry 1, it is 8. 3 is 9 plus 1, 10, that is 180 degree. That is 108 degree. And here angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 108 degree. The reason is that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, because the opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Now angle D is equal to, angle D is equal to 2x, 2 into x, that is equal to 2 into 36, 2 into 36 degree, that is equal to 72 degree. Therefore, angle D is equal to angle B is equal to 72 degree. The reason is that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Therefore, here you see that angle A is 180 degree. It is 108 degree. 108 degree. And angle C same as angle A because opposite angles are equal. Angle C is 108 degree. 108 degree. And angle D it is 2x, that is 72 degree. That is 72 degree. 72 degree. And same as angle B because opposite angles are equal. That means this is 72 degree. Angle A is 108 degree. Angle C is also 108 degree. Angle B is 72 degree. And angle D is also 72 degree. Right? Find the measures of each of the angles of the parallelogram. What we have taken, that is, since the angles are in the ratio of 3 to 2, 3 to 2, we have to take, let's take A is equal to 3x and D is equal, angle D is equal to 2x because these are the adjacent angles. And we know that sum of the adjacent angles is supplementary. Therefore, angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. We will find the value of x 36 degree, and angle A is equal to 3x, that is 108 degree, and angle A is equal to angle C because they are opposite angles, and opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. Angle D is equal to 2x, that is 72 degree. Therefore, angle D is equal to angle B, that is 72 degree because the opposite angles are equal. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.